Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from BITD Group 1. Our group name is Syntax Error. Our project is about to purchasing a book system. Firstly, we will introduce our group participant. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Afizuddin bin Ahmed.
My name is Nurul Fakihah binti Mak Faizal.
My name is Adila Tahnani binti Muhammad Azlan.
And my name is Muhammad Aiman Izzat bin Azizan.
The problem statement is we are going to build a system that can help one of the FTMK group to monitor how many books have been purchasing during the Hari Usahawan Siswa 2021.
Analysis. Input: total type book, books code, quantity book, cash and cashier's code. Output: display books catalog, display instructions, display list card and display receipt. Process: calculate the total of price and balance based on total type book, books code, quantity book and cash.
Okay, this is our design. The first one is pseudocode. We include function, loops, array and IO file. The second one is flowchart. That's become the main and then as a function call. And the third, a program code. Okay, let's start.
Okay, as you can see here, this is our coding system. We have put some method like selection, looping, function call, array and IO files. In the process charts, first we ask the user to input the cashier code. Okay, if the user enter wrong code, I mean other than was, other than A, B, C, D, the system will display Hafizuddin as a cashier deal. So there nothing problem if the user enter other than the code. So after user enter the cashier code, the user will tell them about step 1. Step 1 is to enter the total type of book based on the color. So the user will look at the books that they want to buy, so which is the user see the 3 colors different, so means the total type of books is 3. And then after the user enter the total types book, the system will say please enter the code book and quantity carefully. If anything wrong, you can cancel the order. So after that, the system will ask the user to enter book scope and quantity. And then after the user finish enter the codes book, the system will tell them they are in step 2 right now. And then the system will display all the user list card. For the next, the system will ask the user about whether they want to complete the purchase or not. Because if something wrong during enter the codes book and quantity, they can refer the display in step 2. So if the user have input wrong code or wrong quantity, they can cancel the order and start again if they want to purchase the book. Okay, after user enter the Y, which means the user want to complete the purchase and confirm about the list card, the system will display full receipt, which means the total item, total quantity, total price book and total that they must pay. Okay, after the complete of calculating total for all each type book, the user will ask the system will ask the user to enter their cash, which means their cash must be more than the totals, right? The total will show in display. And after the user enter the cash, the system will show the balance, means balance money if they pay how much they want to pay. And then the system asks the user to input their name. This is in case something wrong with books that they have purchased. So anything damaged or broken book, they can come our bookshop to claim or refund. And then after user input their names, the system will display the code counter that user have entered before this, and then complete for the receipt. And lastly, the system will tell the user to give this receipt to cashier to claim your books now. So this is IO file code for make a receipt. So next we gonna run the code and let's see together. Okay, for the first, like I say, the system will display about our receipt, our system display like this. Welcome to BITD Bookshop. Note, we have around more than 100 books from a few types. We start with classing by specific color and instruction. First, you just need to follow all the instructions given. Second, please fill all the instructions carefully. And third, if you have changed your mind during filling instruction process, you can cancel the order. And now, the system asks the user whether they want to next or not. The system will display books price catalog. So, the user can refer about the price or anything else, like I said before. The user can decide whether they want to buy a book or not. User want to continue to start purchase, just enter Y, and the system will display about instruction that they must do. If the user want to start, just enter Y, or not, or no, just enter N. Okay, right now, as you can see, code for cashier you want to deal with. Enter code for cashier you want to deal with. So, the user will enter the code based on here. If they want to choose Fakihah, just enter A. So the system will ask the user to enter books code and quantity. The display asks the user, are you sure to continue to finish the purchase? If you have confirmed, if the user have confirmed here about the list card, whether they sure about they have choose, they want to buy 2 books of comic and 2 books of reference book and 1 of textbook. So if they confirm, just enter Y. The system will display about step 3. Step 3, the system will display the fully receipt. So here the system asks the user about the cash, and then the system will ask the client's name, which is the user's name, and the system will also display cashier dealer that we have choose before this, Nur Fakihah, code A. And then, yeah, this is our receipt, the user receipt for the after complete the purchase. This is more like same, yeah, right? So we actually bookshop, quantity item, 1112. Yeah, this is for our coding. I think that's all about our code system. So thank you and have a nice day.